guys, and welcome back to Techi-Mechi. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make any printer wireless, Windows Vista and above operating systems. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll explain you how this method works. For example, I've taken image of a laptop named as PC1. This laptop will be connected to a Wi-Fi network. It may be of a router, mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot device. Internet access isn't necessary. On the same Wi-Fi network, we will have another PC. For example, take the name PC2. The signals from PC1 will be transmitted through a router to PC2. PC2 will have the printer connected with it and a job will be done through the printer. It sounds really complicated, but it isn't. Even a boy like me can do it very easily. Now I'm going to PC2. Here in Wi-Fi toggle menu, under your network name, click Properties and make sure your network profile is private. I'm closing the window and need to go to the control panel. In Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change Advanced Sharing Settings, which is on the left. Here, as our current profile is private, these two options need to be enabled. In all networks, make sure you have enabled 128-bit encryption, which is recommended. In my case, I've turned on password protected sharing. Now I'll close the window and revisit the control panel. This time in Hardware and Sound, Devices and Printers. Epson L220 series. This is my printer. I'll right click, Printer Properties, and in the Sharing tab, click Share this printer. I'm keeping the name Epson L220. It's up to you. As your choice, keep the name. And make sure you enable Render Print Jobs on Client Computers. Apply. OK. Now, wait for a couple of seconds and see the state is shared, and I'll go to another computer. This might be PC1 according explanation. Make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as PC2. There are basically 3 ways for us to connect. I'll show you the best way round there. So we need to go to this PC, network, which is on the left hand side, and select the name of your host computer. Here, the printer you need to tap once. And boom, we are connected to the printer. I'll print a test page. By subscribing, it will help us a lot to grow, and hopefully one day we may be the most subscribed tech channel of YouTube. Control P, and here you can see Epson L220 series on PC2 and print. So thanks for watching.